Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create product videos with Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. You can start with a product image or create a scene from a text prompt, depending on the options available. For a product video, make sure your product is clearly visible. If you're using an image, choose a high-quality photo with the product shown from a useful angle. Next, write a prompt describing how you want the product to appear and move. For example, you could write, a premium smartphone standing on a modern table, soft studio lighting, realistic reflections, slow camera movement, and a clean professional background. You can also describe camera movements such as a slow zoom, smooth rotation, or cinematic tracking shot. Keep the product as the main focus of the scene. After writing your prompt, generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish processing. When the result is ready, preview it carefully. Check whether the product remains consistent, whether the shape and details look correct, and whether the camera movement is smooth. If something looks distorted, try using a clearer product image or a simpler prompt. Avoid requesting too many complicated movements at once. You can create several versions with different backgrounds, lighting, and camera movements, and then choose the one you like best. And that's how you can create product videos with Hailuo AI. With a clear product image and a focused prompt, you can create professional-looking promotional videos for different platforms. Thanks for watching.